Hi, hello. Hi, good you?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Glenda.
Sana.
Nice meeting you. That's my friend. She just accompanied
Okay.
me, so I won't be alone. Hi.
Okay. I will get you to the clinic now. Okay. Are you excited?
No.
No.
A little bit scared.
Little. No, it's going to be all okay.
Hi, welcome.
How are you?
It's Dr. Ahmet. Nice to meet you. Welcome
Glenda.
again. Let's have a look.
Front
Mm-hmm.
hairline
Mm-hmm.
is gone, and some of my crown
Mm-hmm.
is thinned out. So,
Oh dear.
is it bad?
No worries.
Okay.
We're gonna handle this. Whatever we can do is up to your capacity. Keep the hairline first
Yeah.
with a good density because everyone can see your face, and with the front hairline and the front density, then we will cover up the rest after the front.
The doctor will be here to open your channels on your implantation area. Okay. After that, tiny little holes are opened there. We will do the implantation part.
You should be very careful, especially for 2 weeks. You shouldn't hit your head, or you may easily scratch, you may easily hit your head because you feel numb, you feel like wearing a helmet, so you may not localize your head. So be very careful, please, especially for the first 3-4 days.
Glenda, I'm 38. It was a recommendation from a friend who was going to do a hair transplant, and he found this clinic, and he told me about it. So I reached out, and that's how I'm here. For losing my hair, I've had hair loss like on and off, but like from breeding, and then it grows back. But last year it started thinning out, and it just wouldn't go back. So I'd been playing with the idea of getting a hair transplant, but when I started to lose the crown, I really didn't know how bad it was, because I had dreads up to like the small of my back, and my hair stylist had told me, "You're losing hair. Your hair is thinning out." So I went to a dermatologist to check, and she did a test on my scalp.
Skin test.
Yeah, but she couldn't find anything. There really wasn't any like I think it was fungus or anything that was eating up the hair. And she gave me topical steroids to stop the spread. Okay. And then she said, if it stops spreading, then I can try a hair transplant. But she doesn't think it will grow back. I should just give it time, see if it will grow back. It didn't grow back, so.